Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to enable or disable a backup camera on this minivan. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, how the backup camera works actually, when you put the vehicle into the reverse, like the camera should turn on the screen, right? But if that doesn't happen, before you take the vehicle to a shop or before you decide to take everything apart in the back or even replace the camera, you want to make sure it's enabled on your radio, on your screen. So what you will do, you'll press the menu button here on the right side, and then you will press system setup, and you want to make sure the backup camera is checkmarked, right? If it's not, that means it will not work and you will not get the picture on the screen, right? And also make sure this camera delay is turned off. Actually, if you turn that on, then it will be a specific delay once you put the vehicle into the reverse. I think so, at least I haven't tried it, but or even maybe if you have a delay on, then once you start driving you will still see a picture of the back of the vehicle. But anyways, you want to make sure the camera is check marked. That's pretty much everything. And then I will also add, these vehicles have lots of problems with backup cameras. I even have the video on my channel on how to replace it, and I will put the description. I will put a link into a description of this video if you want to see that as well. But like I said, first make sure it's check marked here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.